After we install the bottle print device on Focus Alpha J UV printer, then we can start to print job on the bottle. So I take this bottle, the glass bottle for demo. So we can see this bottle, they have a cover, so we take it out the cover because this one will be scratch print head. So we take it out, and it's blank glass, but also the glass must do the coating before you print. And then we open the cover, and we put the bottle. At the bottom of the print head. And here, the diameter of the material, the device can be adjusted. Okay, we can see the rotary print device was mounted at the Focus Alpha Jet. And before we print, we need to check, we need to know what the size for the bottle. For example, this bottle, the diameter is 6. So we can also adjust the diameter, the distance between each rolling tools. We can adjust for different generation with different holes to get the best distance of the bottle. Just be sure when you put on the bottle will not falling down. That's enough. So you can adjust the position for the distance, the gap between these two holes by the left side and right side screws. And also you can adjust the position, the top point position must be at the middle of the white ink print head and the color print head. So you can adjust the screw at both sides. And right now for this printed bottle, the distance between the edge to this aluminum, the distance from here to here is 111 millimeter, and both sides are the same. Okay, so after you be sure the size of your diameter and the distance between each is okay, then you need to also be sure that this one, the hole of this one, each rolling have the fasten screws. You can loosen and to move the rolling to left and to right to suitable for your bottles. Distance can move for each, and also you can print the two pieces in one time. Okay, after you check everything's okay, and then we push down the flatbed. Push down, moving down, and then we move the carriage out of home position to check the gap. Because right now the material is here, the bottle is on this position, but the upper limit sensor is at this position. So here is empty. So when you print on the bottle, so the upper limit sensor will not working for bottles. So you need to check up, moving by your hand, by your eyes to check the gap between the bottle and the print head. The gap is between 1 to 2 millimeter. So you press up. Okay, so the gap right now is almost 2 millimeter. So it's suitable for print. Okay guys, now I'll teach you how to process a picture to print on the bottle. So for example, we want to print this picture on the bottle. So we do the process as before. First we go to layer and we unlock the layer as this. And also because we want to print the picture on the dark bottle, so we need to create a white layer to print on the dark material. So we go to the selection and we go to the match tools, we select, and then we go to select inverse, and we go to channel, and we see here CMYK. And also before we create the spot channel, we must be sure the image model is CMYK color. And then we go to
select the new spot channel, and we select the white ink and base. So here, all the same as before, the more dark ink we fill, the more white ink we print out. So if you want to print the maximal white ink, just fill by CMYK 100%, and the solidity put by 100%. Then we click OK. So this is the white layer. Because the alpha jet cannot print with varnish, white, and color by one pass print on the bottle, so we just no need to create varnish channel. We just create a spot channel for white layer is enough. So when we click off the CMYK, we can see this is the white layer, and this is the color CMYK. And also be sure all the eyes we keep on, and layer the eyes keep on, and we save the file by TIFF format. Okay, then we go to the RIP software, and also we load the picture. We save again. Okay, so now we need to set the size we want to print, because the bars are printed by horizontal. So we need to rotate the picture as this print. And also we need to set the size. The size, the width means the length. The length of the width means the length of the bottle, and the height it means the rotary size of the bottle. So the rotary size height cannot bigger than the bottle cycle size. So for example, we put is 26, and height we automatically to 52, and click yes. And let's go to support channel, and we open the support channel for white, and varnish we choose off now, and choose the shrink for white ink for 0.08 up to requirement, and let's set it as this. Then click OK, and then we go to print to change it. We choose the access profile and forward output. We save the file by cap2 PRM file. Okay, after that we just open the control software, and we load the picture to print. Then we pop on the machine, and we put the bottle on the top of the table on the bottle printing jig. And then we need to do some setting on the machine to be sure the Focus Alpha jet can print on board with the best quality. And first we must sorry. Then we go to the rotary printing option and we click on the rotary printing device function. We click on the rotary printing option and we set the margin X and Y margin for the bottle. And Y margin is better for click off, and we must be sure that bottle is on the top of the table, and also the rotary device on the top of the table to be sure the bottle printing device will not move out of a position. And then we go to, and also when we click on the rotary printing option, and the varnish print channel will be automatically closed. And then we go to the setting and we find out the parameter and enclosure. For better quality, we adjust the enclosure, not 100%, but about 50% for better quality. So remember, if you want to print on a bottle, you need to adjust the enclosure to about 50%. And if you print on the flatbed, flat flexible material like board, like paper, so you need to adjust to 100% to better quality. Okay, after that, you just put the bottle on the bottle printing device, and we go to choose print. And also here, because we have white color on the picture, so we have error code to image color mismatch. So we need to click on the white ink print and also set the white ink on the bottom. And we go to print.
So now the machine start print. First print the white layer, then print the color layer on the top of the white layer. So we can see now the color layer is printed out. The focus alpha jet UV printer printed with about the focus alpha jet print on the bottle. It's nice quality. Okay, now it's print finished. Okay, we can see the print result. It's nice quality. Hello Master B. We can see the quality. No overlap and with good color rendition. Good color. And you take it on the cover, you can save by $100 for one bottle. And Hello Master. So this is the OEM design. A good, nice gift for your wife, for your daughter, for your son. Thank you. So this procedure for print on bottle from Focus by Focus AlphaJet UV printer.